Now I have the parts glued together for the neck, the boards. What I'll take it to is now is take it to the jointer, get one side smooth and flat, then take it to the planer and get the other side smooth and flat and get it to the thickness I want it. I want it about 19 millimeters is what they call for, so I'll make it just a little bit thicker than 19 millimeters. That way it gives me room for sanding and stuff like that. So I'll be back in a minute with the cleaned up board. So the neck board is flattened out, milled down to just around 20 millimeters thick. The end has to be about 1905 according to the specs I'm seeing. So that gives me a little room on each side for sanding and stuff like that for final thickness. So what I got to do now, I have my template here and I traced it onto this bigger than what the template is. That way I can cut it out, then put the template on it and get it down to final shape on the template. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back in a little bit with hopefully a neck template. Right now I got it cut out for the neck blank, but I got to take the template off real quick, so I'll do that real quick. Okay, the template is off. Template's off. I just got to get this carpet tape off of here real quick. That stuff is what I stick it to there with, and it holds really well. There. Now I can't get it off my fingers. Okay, so this will be the fretboard side, and this will be the back side, which will be curved in the future. But that's the blank. I did not go full shape with this headstock yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to put a design there or leave it like original template, but I think I'll do something a little different with the headstock and see how that works out. Problem is right now is I need parts. I need a truss rod for that thing, parts for the guitar body and all that. For the fretboard, I don't know what this wood is. When I first found it, I thought black walnut, but I'm not thinking so. All these red stripes and stuff, whatever it is, I think it would make an awesome fretboard. So I might take this to make the fretboard with, because the colors and stuff in that, when I get finishing on that, it's really gonna make that stuff pop, and I think this will be a good fretboard. So the body here, and whoops, I'm upside down and backwards here. So that'll fit like that. I think I've come to the conclusion that I'm not going to put the belly comfort, whatever you call it, in there. I'm not going to grind that down. I'm not grind down for the amp. It's I want it to be a little unique, and you know, most the Fender style guitars that I make, I put that in there, but I think I'm going to skip that with this one. Well, Les Paul doesn't have those, and this is kind of a crossover between Fender and Les Paul. So I think I'm going to just leave this body the shape it is. If I don't have to do that, this is ready for parts and finish, basically. A little sanding, cleaning up, but I think this is going to be final. And since I'm got limited time here, I think it'll help me get more done on it before I have to leave. And so I'm going to have to order parts, spend a little money on it, and a lot of neck work to do. So that's going to take a lot of time, the neck work. Like I said, I got to get a truss rod for it, and I got to make the cavity for the truss rod. I got to get it rounded and get the fretboard made. So that's not a real fast process. It takes time, especially if I end up doing the fretting on it. I have fret wire and everything for fretting on, and that is very time consuming and tedious work. So that's what I got for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye, y'all.